2, and as you can see, this is a fantastic parcel from Bill M. RC, fantastic RC enthusiast from the UK. I got into drones a bit ago, bought a H501S, couple of nice flights from it, beautiful, altitude hold, GPS, everything, and it just suddenly fell from the sky. Full batteries, etc. I was absolutely gutted. So watching YouTube videos, I purchased another from Kolsky RC, great friend of mine on YouTube, and he sold me the advanced version with the better controller. I'm normally a lock sporter. Community of lock sporters is amazing, so friendly, etc. And it's the same with the RC products. It really is, you know, RC, YouTube, community on there is amazing. So friendly, so helpful. I sent many questions afterwards, after my crash, to Bill himself, Kolsky RC, JD Quad, another fantastic guy, Southpaw RC, another great guy, and also, I didn't realise it, but a guy on our UK Lock Sport forum, Leon's Lockpad, this is for you, mate. He's into RCs, I never knew it, and he's Leon's RC Hobbies. So again, an amazing community. But this is the Bugs 4, NJX RC Bugs 4. I wanted it because of the sort of folding wings, legs, etc. So let's get this open. So thank you so much, Bill, for this. And he sold it to me very cheap. I was hoping to get it out straight away, flying, but I've got to put the apps on my phone, etc. Let's turn this round. So that's the box. Ooh. Oh yes. And Bill did say he would have something I could play about with in the house. So let's just move this 1 second. Hopefully you're going to see this. Have to move round to the camera to make sure you can. Thank you, Bill. I cannot wait to have a little play with that in the house and annoy my wife. I'll pop that to one side. So this is the Bugs 4 W, because the camera can face downwards. I initially got into drones because I wanted to have a look at a hole that we have in our roof. Let's have a look at this. See if we can get into it. Oh, I'm not going to get all the destructions out. Oh, the control. I'm just going to get the drone out. If I can. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Bill, my friend. I'm going to charge the battery up, read the destruction manual, install the apps on my phones. I've got my Samsung S7 which is compatible because I've got an app to make sure. I've also got a Google Pixel 3 which is blocked, but I think GPS and everything will still work with it. So thank you so much. You are a true gentleman. Cannot wait to get it in the air. I normally in the video say, if you're newbies to lock sport, happy picking, please keep it legal. But I've got to say now, with this video, thanks for watching and happy flying, guys.